camping trip before the rain. Today, the vehicles decide to have a camping trip in the forest. Everyone is excited and busy preparing. The bulldozer is in charge of setting up the tents. Near the campfire, the forklift carefully grills meat. The delicious smell spreads through the campsite. Meanwhile, the excavator heads deeper into the forest to collect firewood.
Huh?
The excavator gets trapped in a muddy pit hidden beneath dry leaves. The more it struggles, the deeper it sinks.
Huh?
Oh no! The sky slowly darkens. Dark clouds gather, signaling incoming rain. The forklift and bulldozer keep waiting, but the excavator still hasn't returned with the firewood. They begin to worry. A camping trip full of trouble, but also a day to remember.
Rescue under the sea. Today, an underwater delivery car has a mission to deliver a package on the ocean floor. After finishing its mission, the delivery car begins its journey back. Suddenly, wheels get caught in a sunken fishing net. The net is stretched tight because it is tangled with a large anchor. The rescue vehicle attaches a cable to the anchor. It slowly pulls the heavy anchor away from the net. The delivery car continues its journey home. The rescue vehicle returns to its duties.
The dangerous oil spill on the curb. A winding road runs along a steep cliff with a sharp curve. One barrel falls, hits the cliff, and breaks. Oil spills across the road. A car approaches and skids on the oil. It swerves, nearly falling off the cliff. hose is lowered, absorbing the spilled oil. The oil gradually disappears from the road. The police remove warning signs. Accidents can happen anytime, but the right response keeps every journey safe.
The daytime apple heist. Under the bright daytime sun, the apple orchard is full of fruit. A police car patrols past the orchard. Its suspicious gaze stops at the truck's full cargo.
Oh, shit!
Startled, the truck speeds away. The police car turns on its lights and gives chase. The truck drives a long distance with no police in sight. Suddenly, crash! The truck slams into a rope stretched across the road. No matter how fast you run, justice always has a trap waiting. The oil spill in the city. After hauling rocks out of the cave and completing its delivery, the heavy truck leaves the mining area and heads toward the city. Suddenly, the truck slightly loses control and crashes into a barrel. Oil bursts out and spreads across the street. Gradually cleared. In a busy city, a single careless moment can cause major chaos. A scorching hot day. Its rays heat the road intensely. The air shimmers in the heat. The streets are quieter than usual. Vehicles move slowly under the harsh sun. A delivery car is making deliveries at noon. The temperature gauge slowly climbs. The engine is overheating. On scorching days, even small issues can cause trouble, but timely help keeps every journey safe. Fire at the gas station. On a scorching hot day at the gas station. The fuel hose leaks. Drops of fuel fall onto the concrete, forming a spreading puddle. piece of trash floats in the wind and slowly falls into the fuel puddle. A small flame ignites from the fuel puddle. Just moments away from a major disaster. Danger in the fog. Today, a tow truck is assigned to bring a broken car back to the repair garage. As the truck leaves the city, the road begins to change. Fog thickens and covers the road. Visibility drops noticeably. The tow truck hits a shallow hole in the road.
Not for long. Inside a garage, a garbage truck is being washed. Water sprays, foam covers the whole vehicle. The garbage truck is sparkling clean. A modified car speeds in. The modified car rushes past, leaving black smoke. The garbage truck gets covered in dirt again. A fire truck passes by and notices the situation. It stops and comes to help. The garbage truck happily continues its journey. Sometimes things don't go as planned, but there's always someone ready to help you start fresh.
Huh?
The dangerous oil spill on the curve. A winding road runs along a steep cliff with a sharp curve. One barrel falls, hits the cliff, and breaks. Oil spills across the road. A car approaches and skids on the oil. It swerves, nearly falling off the cliff. A large suction hose is lowered, absorbing the spilled oil. The oil gradually disappears from the road. The police remove warning signs. Accidents can happen anytime, but the right response keeps every journey safe. Smoldering smoke at the airport. At the airport pickup zone, taxis line up waiting for passengers. A thin trail of smoke quietly rises near the airport taxi area. Something isn't right. Inside, a paper with a still burning cigarette butt smoldering. Luckily, the danger was handled just in time. A small spark can cause big danger. Always be careful with things that seem harmless.
Journey among the desert dunes. A small cargo truck slowly crosses the quiet desert. Ahead lies an area of fine sand near a small oasis. Oh no, it's quicksand! As the truck drives forward, its wheels suddenly sink. Emergency lights flash in the sea of sand. A rescue signal is urgently sent. In a desert that seems peaceful, danger can hide beneath the surface.
The garbage truck falls into the lake and the cleanup rescue. The garbage truck begins its journey after finishing work in the city. The garbage truck drives along a small road through the forest. The truck slides into the lake. Trash bags spill out and float on the water. A rescue vehicle quickly arrives from the forest. All trash is removed. The lake becomes clear and peaceful again. Sudden rain and the heavy hay load. In the forest, a forklift transports hay bales from a warehouse to a truck. Everything runs smoothly. The sky slowly darkens. Suddenly, the rain pours down. The wet hay becomes heavy. The forklift struggles while lifting a tall stack. The forklift wheels sink into the soft ground. The tow truck hooks and pulls hay bales off the forks, reducing the load. In unexpected situations, timely help can change everything.
What?
Wildfire rescue in the forest. The police car is sleeping soundly inside the station. Suddenly, the red alert alarm blares through the station. A forest is burning out of control. Inside the burning forest, a vehicle is trapped in thick smoke. It has become unconscious and cannot move. The police car activates its siren. It quickly dispatches the fire truck and ambulance to the scene. Following the police car's guidance, the ambulance enters the safe zone. The trapped vehicle is quickly rescued from the fire.
A fun day at the construction site. Today is a beautiful day. The sky is clear and bright at the construction site. All the vehicles are happily starting their work. The cement mixer truck is pouring concrete into a big hole, but it is so busy working that it forgets to put up a warning sign. Forgets to put up a warning sign. The construction vehicles quickly come to help. Finally, the police car is pulled out safely. Everyone smiles happily. It's truly a fun day at the construction site. An interesting day in the forest. Today is a beautiful day. The sky is bright blue and the sunshine is warm. In the green forest, the cargo truck and the hook truck are happily getting ready to collect wood. The cargo truck carefully stacks the bundles of wood, while the hook truck lifts and hooks the big logs. They work together very hard. Suddenly, because of the intense heat, the straw dust catches fire. The flames grow quickly. Oh no! There's a fire! The cargo truck shouts in panic. The cargo truck throws a bundle of wood into the fire to put it out. But, oh no! The fire becomes even bigger than before. Up in the sky, the patrol vehicle is flying when it spots the fire. The patrol vehicle quickly flies over and sprays water to put out the fire. In no time, the flames are gone and the road is safe again. What an interesting and unforgettable day! The brave rescue of the vehicles. Today is a beautiful day. The sky is bright blue and warm sunlight shines down on the busy road. All the vehicles are driving smoothly, feeling happy and full of energy. Suddenly, the volcano that has been sleeping for a long time begins to shake. Boom! The volcano erupts and glowing lava flows down onto the road. Some vehicles cannot escape in time and run into trouble. At that moment, the rescue team quickly arrives. Fire trucks, rescue trucks, and police cars work together to clear a safe path. One by one, the vehicles are pulled out of danger. The lava is blocked, and the road slowly becomes safe again. In the end, all the vehicles are safe. Everyone feels happy and thankful to the brave rescue team. It has been a truly unforgettable day.